What's up, guys? Let's get it. Welkom bij een nieuwe live. What's up, guys? Welcome to a new live video. My name is Joop, aka JoopvdClips, macaroni with the cheese. We doing it. What's up, what's up? My name is JoopvdClips, aka macaroni with the cheese. We doing it. It's a new day. It's the 8th of July, Thursday. So the stock market is getting started. I see some numbers piling up. So with that being said, let's get it started. Bitcoin's at a price of 32,578. It's pretty much falling down since of yesterday. I'm on the 1 hour chart. So I hope you're still rocking with me. I've been making videos for maybe 8 months now. I'm loving it. I'm doing it every day. So I'm not in for the money. I basically only do things that I love. And well, since you can make money with stocks and crypto, might as well also make some money with it. But the main objective is in my life is only to do things that I like. So that's how I continue with my path, my journey in life. So with that being said, my name is Joop. Every day I make stocks and crypto videos. I'm trying to share some knowledge on the things that I know, and maybe y'all guys can help me too with some knowledge, because it's a big platform, it's a big space, crypto. We basically in a new momentum in life. We in the phase of Aquarius. So it's a lot of things been changing in world, in the space, you know. It's basically a whole lot of things are changing in the world, in terms of centralization and decentralization, in terms of government, inflation, religion, you know, C19, you know. So well, as that being said, let's keep it banging. Bitcoin's at a price of 32,450. I'm pretty much thinking about to start with a short, because I think it's ready to go down more. So let's get this room started, and let's make the best out of it. I have some music in the back. Let's see what the market is doing for an hour right now. We see some green STX. Let me put them in dollars. See the XTX, I don't know this coin. T-Fuel, the T-Fuel, gas for T. Synthetics, $10. Synthetics had pretty much a run up the last day. Aave also. So as of Bitcoin, it's going in a ascending triangle downstairs. That's pretty much what I've been seeing. Let me put this in perspective. It's pretty much what I've been seeing since of May. We're pretty much going down. I put the M of McDonald's. I pretty much think on a long way we're going down. I was talking with a guy on Twitter. He told me I can show you. Pretty much I can show you. I can show you that, man. I can show you that. So this was a conversation between me and this person. His name is Rajesh, and he was telling me like, yo, there's pretty much a big shakeout is coming. He was showing me this chart, and I was like, yo, what is this? Also, Didi Tayutu, the Bitcoin family man, he follows Rajesh. So I'm really on point. So I sent him a message like, hey, what is this chart telling us, Rajesh? Then he told us, bears confirmed till 1350K and bounces will kept near the red line. So I was like, yo, what you trying to explain? That's really far down. It's already past the red line. 20K could be more fair. Could you explain more for my analyze, please? Thanks. This is me, JoopvdClips. This is my Instagram, macaroni with the cheese. Then he told me the biggest shakeout ever before, 200, 300K USD by 2033. So that's pretty much what he was telling us. So this is what he had in front of us, and he was telling us, yo, it's about to get a shakeout. So to me, I do some due diligence. If you see my previous video, I also have some analysis charts that pretty much tell me what is the top and what is not the top. That made me had a good heads up what is basically happening. Oh, that gave me some heads up and basically what's happening. So basically, this P-cycle top indicator told me that the price of 64,000 in April, May wasn't the top for this year, but it was the top for that run. You get me? So the top of this was the top of this run, and what you have been seeing, we're basically going down. So meanwhile, I gotta watch my numbers. Maybe I can enter a short here. See? So I gotta tell what the Bears is telling me right now. The 15, sell on the 4 hour, sell on the 1 hour, buy. So this is pretty much how it's been looking for now. So welcome to my live. So let's start to check some other stocks. Ooh, GME is already going down more. Shit. We can't sleep. What is AMC doing? Ooh, $40. Ooh. Ooh, I gotta buy me some more, guys. I gotta buy me some more. Guys. Wait. I'm gonna put y'all in one moment. I gotta buy me some more stocks, bruh. Because when niggas is sleeping, we buying. Niggas is sleeping, we buying, bruh. We buying. Put the buy order in. When niggas is sleeping, we buying. So I pretty much buy myself in again. I'm pretty happy about this amount. So this is what I've been telling y'all. I don't buy here. I only buy. I'm waiting till the price is coming down. You see these hedge funds? They don't want you to get rid of that money, yes. So okay. So for my last subject, what I was telling you guys is that the CBDC is coming. The CBDC is coming. Okay. So the government and the banks are creating the CBDC. They're basically creating the old digital currency. What I have what you see, this website is cbdctracker.org, is basically telling you what are the status of the CBDC in different countries. In America, it's in research. In Canada, it's orange. That means it's a pilot. In Brazil, it's purple, development. Basically, more CBDC currencies are getting developed. So orange, Russia, pilot. So what I'm gonna show you now is a video about someone of the BIS organization is gonna tell you what their vision is for CBDC, what is coming. Basically, you can see these videos on my Twitter, and without further notice, I'm gonna share this video with you guys.
Of general to the general use, we tend
so
to
be ready.
the
So be ready. So let's get it. Bam. I make that feed ready for y'all. Without further notice.
all our analysis on CBDC, in particular for the use of general to the general use, we tend to establish the equivalence with cash, and there is a huge difference there. For example, in cash, we don't know, for example, who's using a $100 bill today. We don't know who is using a 1,000 peso bill today. The key difference with the CBDC is that central bank will have absolute control on the rules and
The central bank will have absolute control
regulations that will determine the use of that expression
will terminate the use of that expression
of central bank liability. And also we will have the technology to enforce that.
Also, we have the technology to enforce that.
Those two issues are extremely important, and that makes a huge difference with respect to what cash is.
Guys, y'all heard it. The Bank for International Settlement. This is the head of the banks of the central banks. The BIS. I'm telling y'all guys, y'all better subscribe to this channel. I'm giving y'all this content y'all want, bro. I be telling y'all. They ain't making no jokes. They be coming for us. So better be prepared and know where you get this this information first. So with that being said, that means the CBDC is pretty much coming. CBDC is basically coming. It's the head of the central banks of central banks. The head of central bank of central banks. And central banks will have total control of how you spend your money. Ooh, it's a movie out there. It's a movie. It's a movie. But let's get back. Ooh, JME's dropping 39%. Ooh. Ooh. 39. Ooh, let me see what. Ooh. It's getting ugly. Ooh, let me see what GME is doing. Ooh. Man, I ain't buying. I ain't buying until it's up 140. I ain't buying. Let me see what the overall stock market is doing. Because Tesla, short, or let me see. Basically, the whole stock market could be in some. Let me see. Let me see. Where we at? Here we at. Are we all in the red? Is that maybe the... Oh no, we in green. NASDAQ. Let me see. You know, the dollar's also red. What's happening? Oh, it's down. They are down. Coinbase, it's down. The Dow, down. Let me see. So what I was telling y'all, basically this chart helped me out to tell what the top was. Basically 64,000, that was the top, and that was the moment for me to sell. Check this website, y'all. Look into Bitcoin. There are a few charts here that can help you to analyze where the top and the down of the market is. There are a few good charts. The P-cycle chart is okay. I made some pre-videos about these charts, so check that shit out for yourself. Like and subscribe if you like my content, my videos. And with that being said, let's keep it rocking. We keep it popping. Let me put some music on. Give me some hip-hop music, man. Some background hip-hop music. Let's get it. Give me some free hip-hop music, man. Give me some free hip-hop beats. Give me some. Give me some. Send me some. In the meanwhile, let's go check that shit out. This one. Share this one. Save this one. Get what I'm saying. Work from home. You see what Bitcoin is doing in the meanwhile. Oh, I told y'all. Maybe I can go short. It's going down. Can we get this money? I think I'm about to go short this one. see if I already missed the boat. Some hip-hop music in the background.
What's up? Yeah, we do it all day, dog. I bite and you pay, dog. I don't like the way that you play, dog. Every night that we packing them in, third of my shows, tracking them in. On stage emotion, we laughing again. Go to work all day with the pad and the pen. Look up in the sky, see a plane, see a bird. OCD, we go to work. OCD, we go berserk. I mean, it's team is super genius. Now we up in outer space. Push them up and out the way. Get that cup and out my face. I said, do that to the break of dawn. Right now, we gotta break them in. Right now, we gotta break them off. Right now, we gotta break them in. Every night that we leave you, don't get mad, don't get that. You text me and I text back. I'm in first place and you dead last. So look up in the sky. Think I seen a fly. Think I seen a fly. Think I seen a fly. Look up in the sky. Think I seen a fly. Think I seen a fly. Think I seen a fly.
Yeah.
Every time that we pull up, every time that we go, every time we look down, this life is all
They
that
did
we
do
know.
it.
I said this life is all that we know. Life is all that we know.
Basically, it went to my price. What I've been telling you, $40. That's what I'm buying. I don't buy up. I don't buy upstairs. I pretty much buy when people don't buy. That's what we do. What's the big predominance tells us? Ooh, short in Tesla. Ooh. When Tesla goes around the 400, it could be interesting to get. I also put it here.
Every time that we pull up, every time that we go, every time we look down, this life is all that we know. I said this life is all that we know. Life is all that we know. Every time we look down, this life is all that we know. I said every time that we pull up, every time that we go, every time we look down, this life is all that we know. I said this life is all that we know. Life is all that we know. Every time we look down, this life is all that we know. Look up in the sky, think I seen a fly. Think I seen a fly. Think I seen a fly. Look up in the sky, think I seen a fly. Think I seen a fly. Think I seen a fly.
Let's go.
When they come, and they will, they'll come for you. I have an army. We have a Hulk. Oh, I thought the beast had won it all. You're missing the point. There's no throne. There is no version of this where you come out on top.
Let me infiltrate the beat, concentrate the heat. If you ain't on my level, fuck it, let me be. I'll be going till it's all in motion, talking killing rappers. Then I hit my quota, and my train of thought is more a locomotive. Talking reason for it, I got locomotive. Used to be on a revenge tip, on a stun on my ex and a friend's tip. I was Spider-Man whipping the black suit. I was powerful, but almost lost Luke. Blurring the line between human and artist. Try not to change, but I swear it's the hardest. I swear when you're up, they turn you to a target. Home was a trip, all I did when I'm talking. So what it take to be an icon. All in your desktop, so I just might already be one. Might me with the label that feels on the table one sign, but I'm down for a free lunch. Just speaking my heat-seeking missiles of hits, but other than me, I see no heat exist. Yo, gassed up, I'm about to go cream, go cream, go cream. Hulk smash if she know me, know me, know me. Write it to life like I'm staying late, staying late, staying late. If life's about to be a cold war, I'm the hero that they asked for. Green, I'm about to go, I'm about to go. Green, I'm about to go, I'm about to go. Green, I'm about to go, I'm about to go. Green, get the fuck back, I'm about to go. Green. I might begin making a feature a rack. Cause when I hit your beat, I turn shit to Iraq. Dropping bombs like I'm cursing you out. This your house, then I'm kicking you out. Quiet as a mouse, came in the game. Not a word is out that I've been lighting the flame. Shit is potent, don't you know it? I've been flowing steady, growing till they know the name. Saw it ahead of time, knew that I get to my losing myself in the view, there's some window pain. I swear I'm all about peace. I'm a positive person. Wasn't always like that. You know it took me some learning. They ask me how I push a positive light, how I keep my composure through internal fights when addressing the mic through these dark nights. Where the Bruce Wayne, what a trick me. Here's some truth that I'll let free. Bruce Banner of rap if you ask me. When my will to win and attract me, the secret is I'm always angry. Yo, gassed up, I'm about to go green, go green, go green. Hulk smash if she know me, know me, know me. Write it to life like I'm staying late, staying late, staying late. If life's about to be a cold war, I'm the hero that they asked for. Green, I'm about to go, I'm about to go. Green, I'm about to go, I'm about to go. Green, I'm about to go, I'm about to go. Green, get the fuck back, I'm about to go. Green.
Yeah, guys, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? We still here, we keep it hot, we keep it banging. We still live. We see, I'm here on Twitch, stock Twitch. Yeah, AMC shorts have not covered. Let me repeat that. AMC stocks had not been covered. That means if you got some money aside and you know what's been happening lately with all these short squeezes, you better put some money in. It's not financial advice, but you don't want to miss the train. I'll be telling y'all, you don't want to miss the train. So if you got some money out, not financial advice, you better put your money where your mouth is, because the train is about to leave, y'all, bro. The shorts are not being covered. But let's continue. AMC every day. Amateurs get screwed by stop loss. If you're panic selling, it's good that you are out. Last time this happened, we went from 35 to 72. This is a fake sell-off. The entire market is red. I can tell you, if you stop looking at your phone and worrying, you will make money. Guys, I got my own Dogecoin here, so I'm pretty much not stressing, you know. Say hi to my people, man. Dogecoin, say hi. Bossy. Say hi to my fellow apes. So with that being said, subscribe to the channel, guys. I try to share some good content with y'all, so we basically still in the run. Let's continue. AMC, don't forget, what about the GME before it explodes? They will manipulate all they can to get a lower buyback price. That's what we doing. No, we the apes. Apes, thank you, Hedges, for the discount. Yeah, that's pretty much the vibe. But let's continue, bruh. Let's continue. AMC, imagine Elmer Fudd not getting any cookies. Bullish to the fullest. AMC, nothing to lose, everything to gain. Do you want to be a loser or a legend? AMC, buy. AMC, it's all bullish news. 50 more feels better. AMC, now I'm tap. Yeah, you're basically bullish. Let me see what they be talking about GME at the moment. Tear down, Citadel, brick by brick. Crash the market. Bastille Day, 14th of July. Let me see what he was talking about. Let's get this. July 14th is the Bastille Day, the national day in French, with lies behind the high symbols and clarion words for a modern Frenchman. As a man who as a man who has fully conceived the French culture from the tender nail, as one would say, I can assure that the holiday is far from the heart and emotional perception of a modern Frenchman. What happened back then, 2 centuries ago, when, as our school books taught us, the inferior French people toppled the oppression of tyranny and its citadel, Bastille, the royal prison. According to the real course of events, by the beginning of the French Revolution of 1789, Bastille had long become a lockup for high-ranking political prisoners, as well as nobles who failed to pay the debts, usually ones deriving from card games. The enraged Parisians captured the poor governor of Bastille with his wife and daughter. The fate of both is rather unfortunate, and a couple of convicted lowly nobles. The prison bastion was taken apart brick by brick. Luckily, there were water in short supply in those old times. The symbol Versailles was created. So he basically trying to tell us that we're gonna do what they gonna do, brick by brick, what they did back in 1789. That's what he's telling us. So let's continue. It's not much, but buy one more share. You know, but that's no problem. One is good. One is good enough. One is good enough, big bro. We're gonna tear them down brick by brick. Brick by brick, GME. Let's get it. Let's see what the market is doing for its overall. Ooh, we got some red numbers. Ooh, the Dow Jones 1%, Nasdaq 1.5, the S&P 500 1.2. It's red. It's overall red. Ooh, that's pretty much. Some of this all up. Some's all up. Financial. JP Morgan down. Technology down. It's an overall downtrend in the market. I'm happy as fuck. Let's get it. We need some more downtrend at this moment. See some X-traded funds, what they do be doing. Okay. Okay, let me see what my fellow YouTube guys talking about.
It has value. That's it. So again, I use this again one last time. So you have your option. This is your contract. And let's say that you have a car. Let's say that you have a car.
Has happened for at least a smaller hedge fund. There are so many hedge funds out there, right? A couple of margin calls will be good to instill the fear of mortality for these hedge funds. Defaults are in your future and margin is going to be large. $43 is the brand new high of AMC as it continues to trend above that $42 support now, trending as in the crucial resistance in the morning and now trending as our crucial support in our darkest days. The anti-hero becomes part of the pack.
Guys, what you are watching now is Andrew Mo Money on YouTube, Instagram. I basically follow all his news and everything.
Anthony Tolbier makes them pay.
So I'm pretty much following all his. He's a good trader, information guy. I pretty much learned a lot of things from him.
Marge is going to be calling hedge funds that cannot meet the obligation that their shares, that their liability for the debts that they still have to repay or shorting, whether these are rehypothecated shorts, normal, naked shorts, or the naked shorts that Ortex cannot calculate, all of those need to be returned And if they cannot meet that obligation, a robot goes in and automatically liquidates their positions in every stock, pulling out from all over the market and then putting it into AMC and GME. With NSCC 002, this automatic margin call could happen any day, giving them 1 hour to come up with the liquidity that they need. It's called a supplementary liquidity deposit, basically a small fine for the amount of risk that you are taking. If you don't have that money, margin call city.
Yeah, so guys, this is Andrew Mo Money. I basically follow him on YouTube. He's much more advanced than me, so I pretty much not very long in this space. I was a very long time in crypto, but lately I've been in these meme stocks, and I basically follow Andrew Mo Money. I follow on his Instagram and YouTube to get some good content. So I'm basically sharing this guy with y'all to get y'all good notice and information about what's really happening in the overall market. With that being said, go check his YouTube. So what he basically said is that the hedge funds are trying every trick they are playing out to cover their positions. So if they can't cover their positions with the money that they have, they basically need to liquidate all their overall stocks that they have, other positions they had. They have to sell them to cover their AMC position. So basically that is what happened. And yeah, he's giving y'all game.
Let's see what the options chain looks like. Options chain, show me the options. Stephanie says, Andrew, will we need crazy volume for the price to shoot super high? Can it without that much volume? Volume is, at the end of the day, one of the most important factors. So the breakout patterns for these macro bullish patterns all need to have low volume for consolidation and high volume for breakouts. And we are seeing some substantial volume. We've gotten all the way up to 34 million. I mean, it's nothing like the gamma squeeze days back in June where we had like hundreds of millions of volume, but today it's already looking like a better day than yesterday in terms of volume. Wow, that options chain is dark. The shadow of the Colossape right now. $60, $65 strikes, $52, $45 strikes. These are all puts. Barely any calls, but right now it's just the beginning of the day. It's July 7th. This is from yesterday. A lot of puts at crucial spots where AMC's price action could be hovering around, and then some optimistic calls out of the money around $50 and then $60. GME is going to be in a similar position. $180 calls, $230 calls. Yesterday, pretty standard between splitting at the at whatever the price action was, calls on one side, puts on the other. Chris says AMC, GME, ape, heart, peace, and love everyone. Good morning, Mr. Meatball, says Bentley Ruff. Meatball needs a treat next time we get a little rip. Meatball, you got it. When Meatball snaps into this little cookie for dogs, go ahead and snap into the like button because we got almost 3,000 of you in here. Everyone presses that like at the same time. That's the volume we need to break the algorithm. So
guys, that's basically Andrew Mo Money. Go check his YouTube. I also learned a lot from him. So meanwhile, we're gonna do what AMC is doing in terms of price. So you see that already went up. It was down up to $38. So we pretty up, creating a leg up for now. I'm on the 50 minute time frame. So let's watch the overall. So this is what it looks like. Basically went in a triangle, bam, 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 and now we out of it. Hedge funds are basically doing everything to cover their shorts, and like I said, this is my momentum when I wanted to buy some. So as of GME, let's see what GME is doing. 187. basically the same thing. Basically, same story. This is my price range. This is where I decide to buy some more. 140. 140. So let's watch what this gonna do with the overall. The market just started in 30 minutes, 35 minutes for now. So let's continue what I got for you guys. Let's see what in the money. Okay, so we got now a total of 10,000 plus 5,000, almost 16,000 in a money calls for tomorrow, 9 July of Friday, 9 July of 2021. So this all will go into the money at the price range of $45. So dark pool percentage is still up. Still up, the dark pool. 60%. Still up. Dark pool is still up, guys. Still up. So I pretty much don't follow what the Ortex is saying because that data is pretty much not really on point with the data. So Ortex, let's get it. Let me see what's final data Ortex got for us. AMC minus 44, and before that it was 6 days ago. For now it was 41% in the plus on the YouTube of Andre Mo Money. So yeah, basically, but what you see, guys, that the market overall is in the red. See, pretty much in the red.
And if you wanna hate, then go ahead and feel free. But I'ma continue to do this shit until it kills me. I've been lost, I've been found, I've been up, I've been down. I've been broken, I've been bruised, beaten and abused by a bitch ass motherfucker my mama would choose. So before you judge me, be sure that you walk in my shoes. I used to sleep out on the streets with a couple sheets. Feeling weak, I've gone weeks with nothing to eat. But fast forward, just a couple years more. Me and my team about to do a nationwide tour. In a second I will find that out. It's like I forgot everything I ever cried about. It gets tough, the road may get a little rough. It's all good, homie, you just gotta ride it out. I used to walk up on these tracks, now I'm hurdling. So my homies will never have to snatch a purse again. Yeah, but I know it was truly worth it when I can tell my mama she don't ever have to work again. Only 20 years old when she made me. Just a baby, with a baby. Yeah, I know, girl, I drove you all crazy. Jumping off the walls, going all ADHD. Dropping out of school, no job, I was lazy. You said I'd end up locked up or pushing up daisies. But you know, girl, that ain't how you raised me. That was just a phase, I wasn't finna let it phase me. Been on a mission just to get it and I got it now. They know the name, my fans asking me to jot it down. This music shit, you know a nigga all about it now. Cause I don't know where the fuck I would be without it now. I used to be a Bama, I could pop the collar now. The girl that used to diss me asking me to call her now. I used to look out in the crowd and hear not a sound. Yeah, that's what they shouting now.
yeah. What's the blueprint to how I overcame? What's the blueprint to how I overcame? What's the blueprint to how I overcame? What's the blueprint to how I overcame?
Yeah, what's up? Yeah, what's up, guys? What's up? We doing it. We doing it. Let me see what they doing. AMC 186, GME 186, AMC $42, Bitcoin 32,596. Okay, market is going down. So basically, we almost 1 hour in the live stream. Y'all see what the market is doing. 35 euro for AMC. Let's see what the overall sentiment is in the market.
These days, many people are one.
Over their large corporations, but also that their large corporations should succeed. Like, I feel like it's a far cry to think that the Chinese government would want their companies not to have access to a lot of capital. They have to walk a tightrope of allowing aspects of capitalism and capital raising from abroad in trade from their big monopolistic companies, but also show those companies who's boss. So I think this is the tightrope. We're going to have a lot of drama on this tightrope. My opinion is that I think it's, I don't, like, obviously anything's possible, but I find it hard to believe that China would essentially, by delisting their Chinese companies from the West, essentially cut themselves off from any external capital, from large sources of capital. I mean, you think about, who is part of China's inner circle? I mean, it's just China, right? It's China versus basically everyone else. And so it's very powerful for an Alibaba to be able to issue bonds or equity to Westerners at a really high valuation and raise billions and millions and billions of capital that is a net investment inflow into China, right? So just trying to understand the chessboard there. I don't think I'll ever understand it, but it just, that's how I'm investing around those assumptions. This is drama. Things might get slightly worse for Chinese companies listed in the West, but it's hard for me. I'm not investing under the assumption that ADRs go away and Chinese companies listed in the West go away. So that's my view. Apple hit a record high yesterday and smashing its January peak. If you kind of go to 6 months, it's January peak over here, January, but is down 2% today with the market sell-off. Just for valuation purposes, I pulled it up for you. Apple is trading at about 20 times EV to EBITDA and 27 times price to earnings. Fair price for a dominant company and it's starting to nag at me as a potential mega cap position to hold. But to me, the real question in my mind is, if this is the Apple we've seen over the past 2 years, also with the onslaught of antitrust, and right today we got news that Google, pull this up, Google is the target of a Play Store practices of an antitrust suit. So if Google's under fire here, so shall the Apple. They should be, unless they have better lobbyists. If it's the Apple of the past 5 years, I think it's a fair, if not expensive price, and kind of a meh to me. Meh rating on an Apple. But the real question in my mind is, are we entering a new era of Apple innovation in silicon design? And if that's going to translate into the growth of revenues and cash flows. We're seeing the death of the giant Intel. Or my position is Intel is hemmed in and will need to pull a rabbit out of the hat to reverse the tide of being hemmed in from all sides, with Amazon, Apple designing their own chips, ARM designs really taking fire, and the rise of NVIDIA and AMD taking share on data centers, all the above, right? Our stalwart going on, and quite honestly, I don't think that there is a clear theme on the. It doesn't seem like the question is with the Delta variant, maybe not as effective as the, but this is the general picture of. That was that one, and another one is that the other country in the world, aspects of capitalism and capital raising from abroad in trade, fair price, innovation, and the rise of their chip. It's really great. And mobile, possibly, market share with their M1 design. You see the M1 in
M1. Let's see what my great friend is telling today.
Look, so many of you have asked, why do Lou versus Wall Street and good old Jay Ingram sound so similar on so many ideas about AMC and GME? And the answer to that is very simple. We've both been around the block, okay? And the block is scary, dangerous, filled with really nasty people. And we've survived going around that block for a lot of years. Me, a lot more years than Lou, but we don't know each other. We've never met, we've never talked. It's just from our own perspective, we both have the same conclusions. We both see the numbers the same way. And I trust him totally. And I imagine he trusts me. I don't know, maybe he doesn't. Who knows? Anyway, he's not selling. I'm not selling. This thing is in play so much that it makes me jump up and down almost. I was out on the golf course with my wife just now. I just got back. And by the way, I won today. Remember, she's a superior athlete. She's 20 years younger than I am. And she's hard to beat. In fact, I think she beat me 3 times in a row before today. But today, I got her, okay? So that means the stock should rise just because of that. That's the magic that we can throw on these people. Throw your magic at them today. Just go ahead, throw your magic. And if we throw the magic at them, what chance do they have? Huh? None. This thing is so ready to blow up and start climbing to the top of the mountain and whatever else you want it to climb to, and we're not selling. Okay? Thanks.
Yeah, that's basically a good video to end this live stream. So you've been watching my live stream. I pretty much shared some good knowledge. I also watch some YouTubers that I pretty much follow. As of AMC, the price of AMC is now 43. It had a drop today, $38 at its lowest. There's also an overall There's also an overall market low, as you can see. It's red, so pretty much nothing to be afraid of. GME at current price is 188, and at its lowest for today was 180. If I said it right. 180. So yeah, as the old man said, we pretty much own 80% of the float, and we ain't got nothing to be afraid of. This squeeze is inevitable, so pretty much buckle up and enjoy the ride. With that being said, we keep it hot, we keep it banging. My name is Joop, aka Joop from the Clips, macaroni with the cheese. This is my Twitter. Joop from the Clips. This is my Instagram. You can follow me, and I'll see you all tomorrow in the next live stream. Have a nice day, y'all.
Yeah, I got when I got mine. Wasn't hot when I got some. Fucking not what I want, but I stack what I want till I'm back on the right side. Back on the west. Manned up, took a slap on the chest. Running yaps, motherfucker been attached. Motherfucker 3 fingers, let me rap with a black fly. Look at me, I'm treading through the city. Who you know do it better.